In today's video, we'll discuss the differences between Solawave and Nuface to determine which is better. The main difference is the ergonomics. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Solawave wands are small and travel-friendly, while Nuface devices are larger and can feel bulky in smaller hands, making Solawave more comfortable. In terms of devices and attachments, Solawave offers the 4-in-1 wand, an acne pimple spot treatment, and a light therapy mask. Nuface provides the Trinity, Mini, Fix, and Nubody, targeting both the face and body. Additionally, Nuface has 2 attachments, an eye and lip attachment, and a wrinkle reducer, making it more versatile. For the shopping experience, Nuface offers a complete skincare regimen with a starter kit that includes a device, hydrating gel, activator cream, and an applicator brush, plus app support. Solawave's starter kit includes a wand and activator gel, along with a new line of prebiotic and probiotic-based products. While Solawave offers a quiz to recommend products, Nuface provides better value for money. Both brands use microcurrent and red light technology for non-invasive, home-based skincare therapy. To sum up, which is better, Solawave or Nuface? After using Solawave for 3 months, I appreciated its portability and effective solar biome lineup. However, Nuface offers better value with a complete skincare routine, making it the winner of today's comparison. Check out the product links in our description. Thanks for watching.